are going to weld cast iron using a welding stick of 16. So this is 1613. So we are going to weld. This is this piece here. Yeah, this piece is broken. So this one we are going to hold it here. This one. So this is cast iron. We are going to use. These are the welding stick of 6013. Yeah, 6013 rods. Yeah, the one we are going to use to weld this cast iron. So you watch very well the tricks we are going to use. So we are going to use this welding machine. Okay. So let's try. So we are going to hold this tip here. Let's first hold it using a spoon. Let's first put a spoon. So let's first put it. So you spot it, just to put, not again to remove or move. So then we are going to put here a hole. We are going to dig inside using this angle grinder. So we put here a hole. So as you are seeing, we have digging a hole here inside. As you are seeing, this is cast iron. So we are going to hold it using 1613. So after digging in, then let's go and weld it, and you see. So you feel it very well. So let's try to add more hole. So sorry for that. So you have to put it again like this. Then hold it. Then we spot. So we spot each side. So we spot like that, but also make sure if you try to look at my welding machine, we are in 274, so 274 amps DC. So let's try to zoom in. a bit. Okay, so we are going to weld to and fro, in and out. So weld in and out like this. So we weld in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So let's first remove the slugs. So let's first remove the slugs, and we see what we have been working. Then we proceed with the procedure. Batekeka katano. So parkinga bulungi ndi woods. Batekeka katano. Gwasalonga ze motoka ziyitawo. Parkinga ng'otunudde. So as you are seeing now, like this. So you are seeing how it looks. So we are going also to weld deep inside this side and also this side, so that it can bend very well. So this side and this side, so that it can bend very well. So it's also weld. Okay, let's change. So like that. Then we have to wait it a bit cool. Then we also remove the flags. So let's also try to pull these ends because there are some seals inside here. So if you try to look in, it has still some, let me zoom in, and sorry for disturbing the camera. So it has some holes, so we are going to fill these holes again. So after that, let's remove this. Then we put some oil, just Sorry. Then then we put some oil to try to cool. Yeah. So also we have to hold this side. Yeah, but this side, due to the space, we are just going to hold but we are going to do a deep in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out till this side. Okay. So now we are done. So we are done. Then we are going just to grind. Yeah, to grind this side and this side, but let's wait it until it cools down. Yeah. Let's wait until it cools. Then we grind.
Na jumi ya chip kwa. Kada pool. Kutu mari.
Yeah, so now everything is okay. See? So now everything is okay. So those are the welding stick of 1613 welding cast iron.